What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another tutorial. Guys, this is going to be a kind of a crop top but styled up on top, just a messy top with a mid fade on the sides. We're going to go in first off, guys. We have the top section out of the way. We're going to go in with the 2 guard and clean up our side and set ourselves up for the fade. Alright, we're going to start off setting our bald guideline using an Andis Slimline Pro. We'll go over the ear and then kind of drop it in the back. If you guys pay attention to how the weight drops in the back with this head shape, we'll do that with our bald guideline. And then of course clean it out underneath with the slimlines before we come in with the shaver and get it all the way down to skin. Alright, now we're setting in our open guideline. This is a wall cordless senior all the way open. We're going to go about 3/4 of an inch up and set that guideline in before we come in underneath and start to take it out. Alright, we're going to start working on this section, starting with the slim line. Since we punched the line in, we're going to come back in and scoop that line out. I want you guys to pay attention on this hair texture and color, how easy this blend is going to come together. So you guys see already with the slim line and the clipper closed, I haven't even done half open yet. You know, we're already getting this to start coming together pretty easy. So this is almost real time, and I really didn't cut off any extra frames, and you guys see how quick and easy that came together. So if you guys pay attention on my next video, Monday, one of the hardest cuts I've had to do. It's one of my barbers, Marcus, and I do this cut on him about once a year. You know, I don't get to cut all my guys a lot, but guys, pay attention to how dark his hair is and how difficult it is to achieve the same blend. So guys, here we're going in with a 1 open, and if you guys pay attention, like I just said, look at that, it's almost finished. We've hardly done any steps, we've hardly done any polishing work, but now we'll come in with it closed and kind of just polish that out. Like I said, it kind of looks finished. So right now we're just trusting our system, doing the same thing we always do. 1 open, 1 closed, and then we'll still come in with that half guard and make sure that nothing in the middle there is leaving any dark spots. Alright, now we're going to go in with the 2 closed. When I originally started, I started with a 2 open just to leave a little bit longer. So now we'll take a 2 closed into that. And of course, all we'll have left, guys, is the 1.5 in between that and what we've already done. And that will finish up our blend. And of course, if we need to work our way down and clean anything up, we'll do that at the end after we do all our steps. Alright, now we're going to go in here, clipper over comb, and just clean up this blend into the weight and make sure that we don't have anything crazy sticking out. And you guys see we just stick that heel against the head and tilt the comb out at the angle that we want, take off any excess. We go in and edge up the C cup, and then we will move on to the other side. Alright guys, just going to let it roll right here. You guys follow along and see if you can keep up with all the steps. tell me that beat ain't riding. I'm just sitting at home recording this voice tutorial and just kind of vibing out with my headphones on. For those of you guys who ask where I get my beats, I do use YouTube audio library. There's thousands of songs on there that they kind of put on there to help content creators have some copyright-free music. So if you guys want to check that out, YouTube audio library, and let me know what you guys think. I kind of try to pick a song that kind of fits the style of the person. Of course, you guys don't know my clients, but the haircut says a lot about them. So I try to pick a song that goes with the style of the haircut and the person that's in the chair, and kind of the theme of the video. So you guys leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my music selections, and we'll move on to the top here in a second. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and cut the top. He's wanting to leave it a little bit longer this time. He'll laugh if he sees this video, but we cut it short sometimes, we cut it long sometimes. Once it grows out, he kind of goes back to styling it like you guys saw in the beginning. So today he wanted to leave it long. He said by next time he came he'll probably change his mind. But really, so we're just going to go in and put some texture here. Not really cut a lot of hair off, just add some texture, make it something he can style real messy, so he can kind of try this grown out look on top. So I'm just going to texture it real deep, style it real messy, and see what we get in the end. Alright, we're going to style it with some 245 indestructible clay. And my guy Bandy right here getting the haircut, guys, he's one of those clients that use the clay. So just like you and just like myself, he's kind of sweating being out of it. Hopefully that stuff will come back out soon. But guys, here's the end result. I hope you guys like it. We just did a real messy top with a mid fade on the sides. Like I said, we're going to grow that top out and kind of let it get longer and style like that. But guys, leave me a comment down below if you like the cut. Make sure you subscribe. The video I'm dropping Monday, the hardest hair texture, hardest cut that I've ever done. It's on one of my barbers. I think you guys will think it's dope. So give me a thumbs up, guys. Leave me a comment. You know the drill. And we'll catch you guys next time. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.